When I was 16, I had an accident that left me paralyzed from the chest down. And there were so many nights where I felt so hopeless. I thought I wasn't going to make it. But knowing that I was here for a purpose, having a positive attitude, having an amazing network of people, and just really having hope for a better future are really what pulled me through. Every time I go into a school, I know that there's a handful of students, at least, if not more, that are contemplating suicide, that are harming themselves, that are feeling hopeless. And for me going in, that's who we're aiming to reach. That's who we want this message to touch, because I've been there and I know what that feels like. And I'm so grateful that I held on. I love my life, even my wheelchair. And I never thought that was something that I would be able to say. We're really trying to spread this message of mental health and suicide awareness to as many people as we can, whether it's a room full of students, whether it's special ed teachers, school counselors, administrators. We all have a role in this, and we are all in this together. I just want you to know that your life is valuable, that you are important, and that you are here for a reason. And I believe that every single one of you are here to do great things.
Tasha shares her heart, she shares her passion, her hope, and I think students see that. They want real.
She seems like she really wants to give out that message that, oh, if something bad happens, just keep going.
Yes, I can.
I thought she was incredible. She was really engaging, and just her attitude on everything just really impressed me.
As she talked through what it was she wanted us to walk away with, you could feel there was more and more buy-in. There was more and more buy-in. I mean, did you hear it? The kids were quiet.
Certainly, I would recommend her to any school district in any engagement that you would have. So, phenomenal job.
Please take my story with you, okay? Thank you. Of course. Today, hope is my favorite word. I would never have believed, I would have never imagined that I would be up here telling you how amazing my life is. I found hope in my journey. Please take it with you.